Amrin, what is 50 days training? So there are so many students who are asking about our upcoming July batch. And everyone have one query which is like about our advanced medical equipment training. So how can I just explain it to them very simply, or can you just give me an overview about it?
Okay. Actually, it's a 50 days course. So, our main aim is to give a complete learning experience to the candidates, more
Right.
like a practical exposure, you can say. So, in this 50 days of time, what actually the candidate is doing is that they're actually learning about more than 33 plus equipments. And it's not like you're learning complete theory, no. You're getting a complete practical exposure, or you can say a practical experience. Because in our field, what we need, it's all about experience. So that is what we are providing in our 50 days course.
Okay. So when it comes to our advanced equipment training, we are doing it for like years, right? So if I ask you like from last year to this year, is there any changes? Like what would you say?
Actually, yes, we have actually brought a lot of changes, you can say, because it's all about improving, taking feedback, and just modifying, right? So, if you are saying we are more practical focused now, we are more technically focused now. So, we're not giving simple theories, just we are not talking working principle like that. We are actually teaching them all those things. If you see, we have separate equipments for demonstration, we have separate equipments for mantling and dismantling, and these candidates are actually doing that. So if you
True.
see, it's more extremely practical focused, you can say. And apart from that, one big change we have brought is that we have our sister company, which is Calcis
Okay.
Calibration. Yeah. So they are doing the calibration work. So we have included that
In our
session
model.
as well in our module. So the candidates who are coming here for our training or for our course, we'll be actually giving them calibration based session as well.
So now you have cleared about the technical side of the training. But for me, there are so many questions regarding the placement side because everyone is looking forward for the placement thing, right? So what about placement? What are the changes now you have brought?
Main thing is regarding the placement is that first thing, the candidates who are coming here, the assurance we are giving us 100% placement. For that, what we are doing is that we are actually providing skill based sessions. That means if they are having a communication based problems, if they don't know how to attend interviews, if they don't know how to prepare the CVs, for all those we have separate sessions. So it's like a combination of skill based sessions or communication based session as well as the technical based sessions. So that is what totally we are offering in our 50 days course.
Okay. So is there anything like if I want a like particular job role in this particular company, or I'm not saying particular company, but like I am so much passionate about one job role, so I want that, and I'm attending this training. Is it possible to for me to reach to that position?
Exactly. Because if you are saying about biomedical, we have different job role. Many job role we have not even looked into, right? So if whichever job role they are looking for, we are actually giving specialized based sessions on that. Suppose if they are going for a service based role, they want to go for a service based role, we are actually diving deeper into the equipments. They know how to troubleshoot it, what are the possible problems that can happen, and all those things. So it is actually going to help them, be it service, sales, application, or any other job. We are actually providing them proper guidance.
So it's a complete package.
Exactly.
So anyway, whoever watches this video, and if you still have doubts about our advanced medical equipment training, so just reach out to us.